Hi, welcome back to one more session of Wikila editions. Today in this session I am going to explain about title of CPC. What does that mean? So before going to that, a small disclaimer, that is, this will not helpful for any exam purpose, but it can be considered basic knowledge with respect to the subject. Do you know what is CPC? The code bears title, but it has two titles. That is one, namely one is short title and long title. Every act of parliament should have a short title ending with the year in which it has been passed. As such, the short title of this act, this code, is the Code of Civil Procedure 1908. This title is given on the top of the statute book. It is considered to be a nickname. The code is cited by the reference to its short title. The short title of this code is commonly referred. The short title of the CPC is the Code of Civil Procedure, but in regular version it is referred as CPC. The object of short title is identification and not description. Next, coming to the long title. The long title of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 is mentioned in the statute book in small letters below its short title. The long title reads, "An act to consolidate and amend the laws relating to the procedure of courts of civil judicature." This gives a general description of the object of the code. Therefore, the policy and purpose of the code may be legitimately derived from its long title, as the long title declares the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 is a consolidating statute. It consolidates various laws relating to procedures of the courts of civil judicature at one place. It collects all statutory enactments on this subject. After consolidation and coming into force of this code, all the former statutes on this subject stand repealed. Hope that you are understand the introduction about the title of CPC. Thank you.